but you guys had an agreement that you shouldn't.
Man, Angel didn't have no agreement, man.
That's
I don't even know why Angel said we had an agreement. We didn't have no fucking agreement.
that you guys said.
Angel was still fucking drunk. I think she was still drunk and that alcohol was really affecting her. I just said, don't bring, I was like, I don't want to bring a third person here if J. Paul is not coming because there's no one to choose from. Somebody will be a problem.
Yeah, no. She's like, you guys, no, like Angel said, you guys didn't do anything, and you later told her that you guys kissed, right? That she's kind of scared that just in case anything happens, and you might now want to tell Perry because you and Perry
I'm not even close like that.
I'm like, okay now. So I should now contact Perry and say we didn't have sex. Did we have sex?
I see.
Okay.
It's not what I said.
So okay. So what she's trying to say is that maybe just in case or anything like that don't happen, maybe you feel carry and go tell Perry or something. I'm like, babe. First off, the rule of the game is just ask random questions. It doesn't mean that it's true.
You should listen to everybody's questions then.
Yeah, it doesn't mean that it is true. And then if give me and Boma we make out, and then Boma now tells Perry, what am I supposed to talk about that? Is it my mouth that they used in saying it or telling Perry? And she's like, are you not going to withdraw? I said, withdraw with him. Why should I withdraw from Boma? Because he told Perry that we had sex. Okay. So how is that going to add or remove to my life? If Boma, if we, myself and Boma we have sex and then Boma tells Perry, it's Boma that is stupid now at the end of the day. So why should I now?
I don't even know if anybody discusses that kind of shit in the house, man.
When she I was like, okay, when she said that thing, I was like, no, you broke the code of conduct because first off, the fact that he told you that is because he wanted you to have closure. You shouldn't have brought that into the light.
I see.
He told you that in confidence because okay, he felt that you guys were close.